up guys, kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. Reporting live from Malkajgiri. Yes, last night I came back home. We have a small problem. So you remember the other day, Dad came to our new apartment. Unfortunately, he couldn't judge the distance and he had to go through 2 bikes. And this is what happened. There is a big scratch. Luckily, this is not on the metal. This is the, I think this is a fiber part. This got damaged. Actually, there was a huge line right from here. But yes, this part has been scraped properly. I think this is a permanent damage. Of course, we can paint it off now as going for service. We'll try and see what we can do about this. Happens. You know, trust me, this is one good thing when you have a lot of sensors on your car. Though the Seltos is a huge car, I mean compared to the Verna, but still you can drive it easily because of all the sensors you have and also the 360-degree camera we have. Fancy stuff. In the last 4 years, not a single scratch on the Verna. Now we have a good big scratch. Luckily it is really down, so it's not really evident. Previously when such things happened, you know, I used to get really worried about it. I would have sleepless nights. But now at this age, getting really mature about all these things, I don't worry. These are all like tools. Doesn't matter how much ever you love the bike or the car. End of the day, it is a tool, it is a thing. You can have an emotional connect with it, but you shouldn't go mad about it if something happens to it. Some people, or even me before when I was young, if my dad scratched the car, I would go like mad. I used to start arguing with him. What is this? How did you do this? Things are things. Do not worry about them. Human relationships, the love, the affection, that is more important. That has to be more valued than all these things. Even if my dad takes the BMW someday, he doesn't do that. But in case he takes it out and he drops it somewhere or crashes it, I'll not be mad at him because I value him more than the thing there. Alright. The reason I'm saying all this is you should also learn that the love and affection and the connect is more important than things around you. You need to value people more. That doesn't mean some stranger comes and ruins my bike. I'm gonna keep quiet now. Anyways, for the ones who did not watch my previous vlog, the reason I'm back to my old house is I need to still take a couple of things from here, especially my editing monitor, my speakers, my headphones, all the electronic stuff, my work stuff. I've left it here. Though I did not book any packers and movers, so I have to do like 2 or 3 rounds in the car. Last night I came. I need to pack it now. Before that, I'll just get fresh. By the way, talking about getting fresh, I started using Ustra's skincare routine. It's got the face wash with key lime and basil. It is the best known antioxidant in nature, and the moisturizing cream with almonds and vitamin E. The moisturizing cream has shea butter and olive oil. This helps keep the skin moisturized. It's also got tamarind. It helps fight acne. Excess oil and tones the skin. It is gel based, which means it's more suitable for oily skin. It is for intense oil control. Trust me, it works wonders. Ustra specially caters to Indian men's skin. The main cause for oily skin is hot and humid weather. This stimulates the secretion of sebum, leading to more oil on your skin. Also, it happens in cold weather because your skin gets dry. To compensate for that and make it smooth, your body starts producing more oil. Apart from this, there's also one more cause: having a poor diet and also hormonal changes. Take a good amount of this face wash, massage it on your face and forehead, use cold water to rinse it off. Next, apply Ustra's moisturizing cream. Apply liberally onto the face and neck. This whole kit, you can use it like twice in a day for best results. It not only helps you solve those issues of oily skin, but it also promotes healthy skin with its natural ingredients. It is free from all harmful chemicals that might harm your skin. Helps you get rid of daily dirt and pollution and gives you a nice, cleaner and healthier skin. Also checks acne and breakout, exfoliates your skin and makes it bright. There is a link in the description. You can use my coupon code Shriman20 and get flat 20% off at Ustra's website. Chalo abhi, let's go. I remembered a couple of things that I need to put in the bag. Let's continue with the shifting process, and you know, this is going to continue for a couple of days. Started and I'm properly stuck in a nice jam. Subah this kind of jam is so irritating, dude. Anyways, the main reason it's good I stopped now because you know what is the most irritating thing that happens when you're driving a car? A single mosquito. There is a single mosquito that is roaming around and it's coming in between. It is so disturbing. I want to kill it. I'm not able to find it. 52 minutes. 21 kilometers, 52 minutes. This is not to the new apartment. I have to go and pick up Pooja once again from her mom's place. And from there, we have a lot of stuff to do, pending stuff. We have to buy groceries for the new apartment. We have to literally start a new house. Chalo, let's do it. I should do roti. Do roti. Kar, idhar kar. Okay. अरे वाह.
Very good, nice. तुम तो बहुत अच्छे से देखते हो मम्मा.
I need roti. You're eating also.
हम लोग को नहीं दो.
You'll not give us. करो रोटी करो बनाओ. Make roti. अरे वाह. That's all.
ये सब.
Shifting the house ka smell.
I'm getting
All the old stuff.
getting a headache already.
Let's start round number 1, round number 2, round number 3.
I've lost count of
Number
how
of
many
rounds. Huh? Yeah, today we have a lot of rounds to do. This is round number 1, I think. Now we have to go to the new apartment, drop all this junk. There's a lot of junk.
Again come, again go.
Again come, again go, again come, again go. And then we have to buy grocery.
हाँ,
We have to
खाना तो
basically
बनाना.
make our house livable. Right now it is not. And tomorrow we're gonna get the electronics, microwave, washing machine.
By the weekend we should mostly have the essentials.
By weekend the house will become livable. House will become home. Is there a word called livable?
Yeah.
English dictionary. Is there?
Please stop it यार. तू मेरे को
No, is it
बदनाम
there?
कर रहा है इंग्लिश टीचर बोल के.
Is it there? Then talk in Telugu. Oh, very good. This is very important. We can play her deep house
Of course
music.
we will. This I got specially because I can't. ये लो.
What should I do now? Do
Play
it.
करेंगे.
I mean, literally, there's nothing to vlog here. But you know the reason I stopped here? Pooja, it seems she liked the lighting here.
Yeah,
That
it's
is-
nice. I love the sunlight.
You know, Sony A7S3, we don't need lighting. It takes care of all of that.
I don't know.
But I know there is amazing lighting right now, full on.
But I think there's nothing better than natural sunlight. I thought.
Like for that, we really stopped in the
No,
middle of the road.
not for that. Because Shriman got a call. Actually, he stopped. ऐसे time
I
pass
didn't
कर
get
रहा
any
मेरे
call.
से. हाँ, internet वाला is coming. I have to talk to
Actually, I
him.
got an internet wala call. I think.
Yeah.
Why is he not picking up now? Please.
He is Bhalakkar Singh.
So one more major thing done. We put the sticker so that Z category security will go down a little bit. Otherwise, every time we come, we have to show so many OTPs and stuff here. I mean, it's good for security reasons, but it gets irritating sometimes. Now we have the sticker, so we have a pass. We can just drive through.
Now we're not great gate crashers.
Now we're not great gate
Great
crash.
Kadu.
No,
Gate crashers.
now we're not gate crashers, Anta.
श्रीमान कोटारू कष्टालू शिफ्टिंग न्यू हाउस इज नॉट
भैया ठीक से लाओ भैया. भैया जरा ठीक से लाओ.
लाएंगे लाएंगे. We need tip. Okay, give me 5-star rating.
वो that depends on the
Show all
service,
that
buddy.
the kind of stuff we're taking.
So this is all the saman we are taking now.
Blankets are very important.
Yeah, we like a warm fuzzy blanket.
We're so used to all these blankets and pillows.
चल जल्दी कर.
Oh, by the way, you can't just take any other lift. You have to take only the service lift if you want to carry stuff.
Obviously.
So hold the lift, I'll put everything. I think I'll see you guys after I do all this. Done. Almost 90% shifting done. I forgot something. I did not forget. I lost it actually. For now I lost it. I think I put it in the car. I tried to find it here. I am talking about the charger for the A7S3. इसके साथ बैटरी भी है. Unfortunately इसका बैटरी खत्म हो गया now. I don't have any juice left in it. So अभी तो iPhone is my savior. So let's go. Let's go do some grocery shopping. Otherwise we have nothing to eat here. At least Pooja will make some coffee for me today. We need a micro oven for that. We don't have that as well. Tomorrow we'll be getting it.
We have convection. कुछ नहीं होता.
We are back in action. Our Sony A7S3 is working once again. I don't know what happened. We have 65% battery left. I don't know why it stopped working for some time. Don't give me heart attacks, please. I need you. This is my life. I think it looks like we're done. There's a lot of stuff, but it is not done. There's just half of it. We have all that section to do more. Vegetables and all that. For now, these are the most basic things you need to run a house. What is this, Pooja?
धनिया पाउडर, चिली पाउडर.
Dhania powder, chili powder, haldi. I never thought I'll buy all this kind of stuff. I don't know who gets in my house also. Chalo, round number 2, round number 3. I even forgot the count.
We
Anyways,
forgot lunch, now we eating. I mean, mummy made for us in the morning. We were supposed to pack it. Tell them.
Yeah, we actually had to take lunch and go pack करके tiffin box में like school.
मम्मा ने दिया था.
मम्मा ने दिया था, पूजा का मम्मा ने. We packed it, but we got late, so we came back again to Pooja's house now, and after a long time, I'm eating this kind of thali.
ए थाली नहीं है.
मेरे लिए थाली तो है ये. This
Dal
is
rice.
dal, some sabji, and white rice. Literally white rice I'm eating after ages. I don't even know the number. You are chore. Nicely you gave me white rice and you're having roti.
I asked you, you said no roti. I don't like rice much.
After this, now Naisha is sleeping. Oh, something is on the way. Order.
We're very
secret.
excited.
Yeah, so we'll pick up Naisha now. She's sleeping. We'll go to our new apartment
After 45 minutes. 1 hour.
after 45 minutes.
Let us
We
sleep
need
for
to wait
something.
for something. We need to do a
Let's just sleep
swipe.
for 1 hour at least.
I think we should go by 4. Internet guy is coming. We have to go and get that fixed. First time, 3 of us.
No.
Not in hotels. Actually, you know, when we came inside, Pooja was saying this. Even I felt that. It feels like we're staying in a vacation.
What do you feel?
It feels like we're in a hotel. It feels like we're traveling. It doesn't feel like we shifted. And look at this Tungu.
She's busy with her videos.
You know, first important thing you have to do before moving into a house is get the internet. Finally, we got the internet. There is a powerful router. I chose like 300 Mbps speed. We need a lot of speed here. And main thing is, you know, I'll show you the speed. It's amazing. You know what is the speed? Not the best plan, but yeah. To almost 300 Mbps. We're getting download speed. But more than this, we need upload speed. Abhi to 274 Mbps. Just now I got 300 Mbps. But we switched on the camera, na, it will go down. And you know who is utilizing the internet full on?
Yes.
For some time. The time is up, dude.
We're busy unpacking, so it's okay. She needs the
Oh,
time.
by the way, we got a ton of groceries. Once again,
And
where
I
is
put
that
everything
list?
in. It's
Once
there.
again, we got a huge
I
bill.
kept it side. Man.
You have to keep it, and that's like a treasure. You want me to show you one more huge bill? This is how it's gonna be. Kharcha full on. You know, this is how it's gonna be when you move. Oh yeah, this is for 2 months, right? I think this is gonna be good for next 2 months. Oh my god. Tur dal. Moong dal.
Hey.
I never thought I'll buy all this. I don't even know who gets all this stuff at home. Kellogg's Chocos, Kisan mixed fruit juice. Oh yes, most important thing. This area needs to be filled. It's gonna get filled soon tomorrow. That one, tomorrow it's coming, and fridge and all that will be coming here. Apart from this, most important thing, we have to get a curtain here. Otherwise, it's so bright in the morning. It's getting very irritating. I mean, I feel like when I get up in the morning, I feel like I'm sitting outside the house. It's so sunny. Okay, what's the plan now? Are we staying? Because we don't have gas as of now, we don't have stove. So I think we'll be doing Swiggy for today. From tomorrow onwards, we'll have to get back slowly. A couple of days we'll have to do these adjustments. I think tomorrow we're getting everything. Once we settle down properly, it will take some time. Once we settle down properly, mostly next week count kar lo. From Monday onwards, we'll get back to basics. Pooja will be making dal rice.
Yummy.
I will start my diet once again. Main thing is we need the fridge, we need the grill and all that, right? Right, Naishu?
Any chicken you want, Papa will be making. All the vegetarian stuff, Mama will be making.
Also in the community there's an amazing gym. You want to join the gym, but it is payable, it's not free. But I understand because the gym is next level. It's better than my gym where I pay like a lot of fee there in Malkajgiri. I'll show you guys all that. Gym, diet, everything will come back. Because I know I already put on like proper weight now. At least 5 or 6 kilos up. Yes, you're not seeing the difference. Oh, also my office is kind of set up. I still need to do a lot of stuff there, but yeah. This is all my electronics that I got. This is the desk. But one thing, you know what? We don't have the white desk, which means we don't have the unboxing table anymore. I keep writing stuff and all that. So here you can't write. Maybe we have to get a white pen. Do we get a white pen? This time we have a new chair. Once again, IKEA stuff, so I'm not like really sure about it. You like the house? You like the house? Yes, you like the house? Children, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do, right? Hit the like button, do share, and do comment, do subscribe. And see you guys in the next vlog. Very good.